Step 1. Blocking disc installation. Hollow pierce end rims. As shown here, the screws that links the end rims and the wheels are parallel to the wheel's axle. The blocking discs are contained into a large flat box. The box is identified on the left upper corner with the parts number and the size of wheels for which it will fit. In the box, you'll find 2 blocking discs, 4 different lengths of spacers, 3/8 of an inch, half an inch, 5/8 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch. You'll also find some spare screws that are 3 inches long. On the external ring of the blocking disc, a hole is identified with 2 arrows pointing at it. This is the starting hole. This is where you will start all the installation, whatever the configuration of the end rim. When you look at the disc, you can see that it is not flat. In fact, it's shaped to follow the wheel geometry. The tools that you need to do the job are first of all an electrician plier. Please do not use the type of pliers shown on the left. Use this type of plier and that we will be using for its screw trimming feature, and a Phillips and square screwdriver. First of all, remove one wheel and place it on the ground or on the table. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove one screw. To determine which spacers to use, first of all, place the blocking disc over the wheel. Then the proper spacer will allow the central portion of the blocking disc to be at least 1/8 of an inch above the wheel.
So if I'm taking the longest one, okay, and that I'm compressing it against the wheel, then I'm going to have sufficient space here, and it's going to be really close to the tire too, okay? So
He's gonna take more than that.
I'm a half hour ahead. I'm a half hour ahead of you.
So, as you can see, okay, a little trick. I'm always putting some weight in the center of the, okay, that you you're going to have to do it screw by screw.
I think that's what we generally order.
What?
Spool.
So it's like cooking a cake. So you first ingredient, you put the spacers on. You find
Your start.
the famous hole.
bonne surface.
Ah ouais, puis toi, t'es mieux de travailler aussi.
Moi, je pense que l'espresso va peut-être être trop long. On va le checker tout de suite.